Alright, about to begin the next weekend of September as we wind down the C-Track Stink Train Week. It is September 19th, 2025. CN Hayes here, 2220. Coming to you from Ladysmith, Wisconsin with a bonus video on the lineup for you. Another southbound on the way, following well behind the M302, led by the 3814. Another G-Boat to lead it. Let's check him out on the roll by now as we lean back and get him. Here we go. There's 44 in there. Q-Train! Q198. Q198, 51 of the 14. Earn it, Fairview Yard in Prince Rupert, British Columbia, Canada. On the market yard, coming up. And that is the brand new 3418. And the owner says, CPU on there. That is the next batch. Former CN or Illinois Central Gas 9 decided to become one of the next rebuilds. B5 and the train device is going. How about that? And another highlight of the evening. Haha! Impressive. That is going to do it for the hot Q198, 51 of the 14th, and we'll do it for the 3901. And my first of the fourth batch of new C6M rebuilds of the new 3418. How about that? Once again, off she goes to Markham Yard in Homewood, Illinois. And that is going to do it for this video at Ladysmith, Wisconsin for tonight. Thank you so much for watching, folks. Have a great night. Have a great weekend. I'll see you next time. And I hope I will see you down the main line. CN Hayes out.